Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a TikTok shop product not showing. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now to fix this issue, the best thing that we could do here is we just need to contact TikTok support for this one. So first thing is you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok mobile application and you want to go to your profile, which is located at the bottom right. Now from here, we want to click on the 3-bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy. Now here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says report a problem. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to scroll down to the very bottom until we see the submit a report option and just click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to describe the problem that we are currently having. So in this case, this guy described that your TikTok shop product is not showing on your TikTok shop. Now from there, you could also attach images or even videos if you want to. And once you're satisfied, just click on submit to submit your report. Now from there, you just need to wait for TikTok support to reach out to you, and from there you'll be able to have assistance on solving this problem. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.